Get ready for a huge change in how you access your driver's license and road transport info online. Starting February 1st, 2026, if you're 18 or older, you'll only be able to log into the MyJPJ app using MyDigital ID. Yes, you read that right. It's the only way. This is a major shift, so let's break down what it means for you. The Road Transport Department, RTD, made the announcement on November 27th, signaling a complete overhaul of the login system for adult users. This means saying goodbye to the current method of logging in for many of you. Consider it a digital upgrade, designed to enhance security and streamline access. Now, before you panic if you're not familiar with MyDigital ID, here's a quick rundown. It's essentially a national digital identification system, developed by MIMOS under the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation. Think of it as a single secure key to unlock various government services online, including the MyJPJ app. You can register through their official website. But here's where it gets controversial. While the RTD emphasizes improved security and prevention of fake accounts as the driving force behind this change, some users might feel uneasy about entrusting their personal information to a centralized digital ID system. Concerns about data privacy and potential misuse are valid and worth considering. What are your thoughts on this increased level of digital identification? What about those under 18 or MyPR cardholders? Don't worry, you're not left out. You'll still be able to log in using the existing method. The RTD will provide a special link that requires your 12-digit MyPR or MyCAD number and password. So this change primarily affects Malaysian citizens aged 18 and above. For those who haven't registered for the MyJPJ app yet, creating a new account is straightforward. You'll simply use your MyDigital ID during the registration process. The RTD states that this move is crucial to combat fake accounts and ensure that only verified individuals can access the MyJPJ system. They're aiming for a more secure and trustworthy online experience for everyone. They also postponed this implementation from October 2024 because Transport Minister Anthony Loke said the ministry had yet to make a final decision. Now they have. And this is the part most people miss. The RTD says that out of 13 million registered MyJPJ app users, only 1.3 million are already using MyDigital ID. That leaves a whopping 11 million users who need to make the switch. To make the transition smoother, the RTD is urging everyone to complete a pre-registration process using facial recognition. This will help expedite your MyDigital ID registration and avoid potential delays closer to the February 1st, 2026 deadline. So what's the takeaway? Register for your MyDigital ID now to avoid any last-minute headaches. The RTD is strongly encouraging all MyJPJ app users to get ahead of the game and register before the new system is enforced next year. Here's a thought-provoking question. Do you believe that the convenience and security benefits of MyDigital ID outweigh the potential privacy concerns? Is this a necessary step towards a more secure digital future, or an overreach of government control? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective on this significant change to the MyJPJ app.